Welcome back to Sholz TV. Today we're going to be making a beef and shrimp vegetable soup, aka Efo Riro, all in one pot. So place your meat in a big pot, about 2 pounds. Add some red onions and some Poblano Peppers in the meat. And then we're going to season with some seasoning cube. I'm using 1 Knorr, 1 Royco, and 1 Maggi cube, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of Habanero pepper for some heat and extra flavor. So mix all of that together and cook your beef on medium heat until the beef is tender. Now we're going to go to our vegetables. Right here I have 6 red bell peppers, I have some sweet bell pepper, I have green bell pepper, red onion, sweet bulb onions, habanero peppers, and 1 Roma tomato. Go ahead and blend all of that together. And then we're going to go ahead to check on our meat. Once your meat is tender, go ahead and add our pepper mix, our blended pepper mix, into the meat and the stock all in one pot. So this is what it looks like when we're done blending. I kept quite a bit of texture in my blend mix. If you want it smoother, go ahead and blend it until it's smooth. But I like it a little rough for my Efo Riro soup. So mix all of that together, add some palm oil, just adding about 1/8. You can omit as well. Trust me, you're not going to know the difference. So once that has been cooking for about 15 minutes, I'm going to add some dry fish and stockfish for some extra flavor as well. Allow that to cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure you keep checking it. Make sure it doesn't burn. Just trying to get all those flavors combined. Now I'm also going to add some crayfish, some grounded crayfish, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. And let that cook for another 15 minutes or so. And we're almost ready. You can even eat this sauce just as it is right now before we add the vegetables. But I'm going to taste it and adjust some salt. I added a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 seasoning cube. Now let's go in with our greens. I'm using about 1.5 to 2 pounds of frozen chopped spinach, thawed, and a lot of excess water squeezed out of it. Mix all of that together and let all of that just combine nicely, and we're almost done, guys. Now I'm going to add my shrimps. I'm using here about 15 large shrimps. You can use any other type of seafood that you want. I'm adding a little bit of water just to get all of those flavors combined and the shrimp to cook. Cover that on medium heat for another 3 to 5 minutes. And we'll be ready. It smells so good. This is absolutely one of my favorite Nigerian soups to make. It's easy, it's nutritious, and it goes with almost anything. It is also very delicious. Very, very delicious. Now this is what the final result looks like. Try this recipe. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post a new recipe video. Now let's go ahead and do a taster. I love to eat my Efo Riro vegetable soup with some rice. So right here I have a little bit of jasmine rice. Tastes so good. It is so delicious. High in fiber, low in fat, lots of nutrient. Got my protein from my shrimps and my beef, the carbs from my rice. This is delicious, guys. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.